High stepping into English. Mastering expressive phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, high stepping. This term is rich in imagery and has various applications in language. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone working to master English, understanding such phrases can add flair to your communication skills. So, let's step into the world of high stepping together. High stepping originally comes from the literal action of lifting one's feet high off the ground while walking or running. Imagine a horse gracefully lifting its legs high during a parade. That's high stepping. However, in everyday English, it's used metaphorically. When someone is high stepping, they're moving through life with confidence and vigor, often overcoming obstacles with ease. It's about having a lively, energetic approach to situations. 1. Sports commentary. In sports like football or athletics, high stepping describes an athlete's confident, energetic movement. For instance, the player was high-stepping towards the finish line, showcasing remarkable energy. 2. Metaphorical use. It can also describe someone's approach to life or a particular situation. After her promotion, she was high-stepping through the office, full of new confidence. 3. In music and dance, the phrase is often used to describe a style of dance or performance that is lively and exuberant. When using high stepping, remember it conveys a positive, energetic attitude. It's not appropriate for situations that are solemn or serious. Also, don't confuse it with similar phrases like stepping up, which has a different meaning, relating to taking responsibility or increasing effort. Let's try using high stepping in a sentence. How about this? With a high-stepping spirit, she tackled all challenges during the project. Now, it's your turn. Try crafting a sentence or two using high stepping and share it in the comments. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase high stepping. I hope you feel more confident using it in your conversations and writings. Remember, learning a language is like a dance, and with each new phrase you learn, you're adding more steps to your repertoire. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.